Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Method. In today's video, I'll share with you how to make a DIY long tall vase out of a carton. So all you need would be a carton. Something for the base you can go for using a CD, or you can simply use cut a round shape out of the carton, or whatever shape vase you are gonna make. You can just cut out the carton in that same shape. And some glue, some brown tape to secure it, and here I have some chopped pieces of paper and some FEVICOL mixed with water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the brush, I'm gonna dip it into the FEVICOL, and I'm just gonna apply the chopped pieces of paper on top of it. So let me tell you, I just rolled these cartons into circular cylindrical manner, and I have made like it's a double layered so that it is strong and nothing is gonna happen. And I've just secured it using some tapes in the ends and some FEVICOL and some brown tapes in the middle section, and I've made two pieces and just joined them using a brown tape and some FEVICOL. Also from within I have also applied some brown tape so that it is secure. Now to make it more secure and strong, what am I gonna do is, as I mentioned, I'm just gonna take a brush, dip it into this FEVICOL mixed with water. I'm gonna apply this on top of it all over. And then just place your papers on these in any manner that you want. You can also use some tissue paper or some any other kind of a paper which you find easy to stick. What I am going to do is, then after placing the paper on top of the glue, again I am gonna secure it using some more glue on top. So that's how I'm gonna repeat this process again. And so I had allowed it to dry after I had applied the pieces of paper, and then I am applying glue, the FEVICOL mixed with a bit of water on top of it, and I have these glitters. So I'm just gonna do this. And in a similar manner, I am going to cover my entire vase with this FEVICOL and glitter. Hey guys, after covering this vase with a layer of glitter on top of FEVICOL, I am painting it with wooden paint of deep brown color, this one. So it is giving me a very nice look, a very natural kind of look which I wanted. After it dries out, it will look more beautiful, and I'll add some pictures in the end of this video. So if you like this video, please hit on like and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.